Hi guys, so today I want to show you how I do my quick makeup, and I arrange my hair for a basic daily routine. So stick with me in this video to see amount of product that I use. I assuredly that I use a small amount of product and minimal product, because I don't want to invest very much in my product. In the number of my product, I just prefer to have more expensive and good product for my face and for my hair care. For my new subscriber, I'm glad to have you here, and I hope you enjoy my video. My name is Irina, and I'm passionate about hair care, especially skincare and wellness. I post a lot about new hair product and hair care tips, especially on Monday and Friday. So stick with me to see the video that I will post in the future about new hair product that are currently in trend now and I want to try. So already I apply my moisturizer by Honest and my SPF by Ren. It is almost very everyday product that I use, even when I go out or I stay at home. Now I apply my Tarte concealer. I give up on foundation because I just want to be minimal on my makeup, and with this type of concealer I succeed to cover my imperfection. I see that a lot of you guys have watched my hair transformation, and I'm pleased that you like it. I will post about blonde hair care routine more because you like it. Now I apply my powder, translucent powder by Dr. Irina. I have this for 1 year, I guess. Is on a half, but I'm pleased with this. It has a very light coverage, but you feel when you use it, and especially it has no scent. Going on, I use this Glowish by Huda Beauty. I saw on internet that most of the girls use on their cheeks, but also on their lid, like eyeshadow. And now you pay just for one product, but you will use for two purposes: for your eyelid and for your cheeks, like a bronzer. So I'm glad when I can use one product for multiple purposes. Apply then my eyeliner. I have want to say many colors, but I like the gray, the brown, and I have something like purple on my color eye. It suits me, and with my color of my hair now that I'm blonde. But in other times I just use my bronzer and rímel mascara. Finally, I use this Benefit bronzer highlighter. Sorry, it has a very nice sparkle, but it isn't so dramatic. So it just gives a nice glowy on the cheeks, and you will have this natural look. So this is the whole makeup process. It lasts me about 5-7 minutes to do it in the morning when I go to work, and I'm so pleased with the result. Like you see, my skin is doing very well. I just have in this area one spot that I will cover, and I'm glad with the result. I feel more put together and ready for a next for a full day. For my hair, I just curl with my headband. This is why in this part I have another type of curl, and in this part is different, because when you sleep with the headband and you roll the hair on your headband, it tends to curl differently in the parts, but I'm pleased with the result. It is a natural and heatless method to curl your hair. For my finish, I just want to give a nice shine, so I will apply my Olaplex oil, but just a tiny bit. I love this oil so much because you only need a few drops just to have a nice shine, especially on my mid ends that are drier now that I bleach my hair again. But I'm pleased with my hair overall, and in the last video I show you guys how I tone my hair, and she cut a little bit of my length just to have nice ends. And to last more, I use this hairspray by ASP. It is a flexible hairspray, anti-humidity and UV shield. I just want to apply a tiny bit, just to make my curls last a little bit longer. And this is my my look. I'm ready for a new day. I did also my nails. I prefer now a natural base with some sparkle, and I will go to my nail appointment before Christmas one more time just to do a nice classic red nails, I guess, maybe with some sparkle, but until then I'm pleased with my new nails.